Hello students, I am Ankit and today we will discuss next topic, that is writing the chemical formula. This is very important. Student, you will get one question 100% in your exam. 100%. I am making my signature. This is very important. Definitely you will get question from this topic. Okay. So in the last video I suggest you to learn the name and symbol of the cation and anion. What is cation? Having positive charge. Okay, and what is anion? Having negative charge. So I hope you have learned this table which is given in your book. So just take a quick revision with me. Okay. So what is the symbol for ammonium? Ammonium NH4 positive, calcium Ca2 positive, potassium K positive, sodium Na positive, aluminium 3 positive, magnesium 2 positive, बेरियम भी 2 पॉजिटिव होता है. मैग्नीस, दिस इज मैग्नीस नॉट मैग्नीशियम. ओके, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैग्नीस एंड मैग्नीशियम. मैग्नीस and magnesium, this is magnesium and this is manganese. Okay, zinc, strontium, silver, cadmium, and one more thing you will keep in mind, that if copper first is there then copper positive and copper 2 is there then copper 2 positive. Okay, it is also known as cuprous. Cuprous, CUPROUS, and this is cupric, CUPRIC. In the last video I told you the variable valency. Okay, similarly here iron second is there, mean you will put 2 unit positive charge on iron. If iron third is there then you will put 3 unit positive charge. And similarly lower valency is known as us. Okay, so it is ferrous. This is ferric, not ironous or ironic. Okay, its name is ferrous and ferric because Latin, we derived this name from its Latin name. Okay, so next topic is that anionic symbol. Okay, fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay, so everyone have negative charge. Okay, fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide. Similarly oxide, this is nitride, very important, IDE, nitride. Okay, sulfate, sulfite. Okay, so 8 mean 4 oxygen are there, it mean only 3 oxygen are there, Ide mean only sulfur is there. Okay, sulfate, once more, sulfate SO4, sulfite SO3, 2 negative, and sulfide, very confusing. Okay, तो ध्यान से देख लें, sulfate, sulfite, sulfide. Okay, similarly look here, these two, nitrate, nitrite, this is nitrite, 2 oxygen. Similarly if 3 oxygen are there, nitrate. Okay, similarly here this one, carbonate, CO3, 2 negative. If you will put one hydrogen then it will be hydrogen carbonate and charge will be -1, here -2, here -1, because one H positive has been added here na. HSO4, SO4 2 negative is sulfate, but HSO4 single negative, hydrogen sulfate. It is also known as bisulfate, bicarbonate. Okay, in place of hydrogen you will put bisulfate and bicarbonate. Next is phosphate, PO4 3 negative is phosphate. Okay, and H2O3 2 negative, thiosulfate. This is important. Hypo mean if number of oxygen is less than 2 oxygen पर आप क्या यूज करेंगे, hypo. This is hypochlorite. if 2 oxygen then simple chlorite, hypo हटा देंगे क्योंकि अब 2 oxygen आ गई. ठीक है, similarly 3 oxygen are there, chlorate, 3 oxygen chlorate. जैसे हमने यहाँ पर भी देखो 3 नाइट्रो ऑक्सीजन को हमने क्या रीड किया था, 8 नाइट्रेट, 8 लगाया था ना, 8. ओके, सिमिलरली दिस इज ClO3 chlorate. ओके, if 4 oxygen are there then perchlorate, per mean extra, perchlorate. Okay, so now come to how to write the chemical formula. Okay, so you will keep in mind this table. I am reducing the size and first read. Okay, more. First student, what will you do? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is given to you. So what is the symbol of sodium? Look here, this is sodium, Na positive. दिख रहा है थोड़ा सा? Okay, so sodium carbonate. अब मैं इसका साइज बड़ा कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Sodium carbonate. So sodium is Na positive and carbonate is CO3 2 negative. So student, how will you write the formula? Just you will use this number, not charge. आपने बस ये नंबर ध्यान में रखना है. कितना नंबर है यहाँ? 2 और यहाँ कितना नंबर है? 1. ये नंबर आपने क्रॉस करके लिख देने हैं. कैसे? अगेन आई एम राइटिंग Na 1 unit positive and carbonate 2 unit positive. So what will you do? You will put this 2 here and this one here. Okay, so Na 2 and CO3 1 को लिखेंगे नहीं. If you will write, then you will write like this. पूरा कंप्लीट कार्बोनेट है. सो फॉर्मूला विल बी Na2CO3. कमेंट करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना है कि आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया. ठीक है, मैं देखूंगा कितने स्टूडेंट ने इस वीडियो को देखा है. इफ़ यू विल राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, सेकेंड इज पोटासियम सल्फेट. स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट इज पोटासियम सल्फेट. सो फर्स्ट यू विल चेक द व्हाट इज द symbol of potassium and what is the symbol of sulfate in the table. Okay, so let's watch. This is potassium is K positive. Potassium is K positive. And what is sulfate? Sulfate is SO4 2 negative. Okay, so यहीं बना लेते हैं K positive and SO4 2 negative. So what will you do? You will place this 2 here and this one here. Okay, तो K2 and SO4 कितना हो गया? SO4 के बेस में आपने कितना लिखना है? 1 हम लिखेंगे नहीं. फॉर्मूला इज K2SO4. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल और नॉट? ओके, नेक्स्ट एल्यूमिनियम नाइट्राइड. एल्यूमिनियम नाइट्राइड you will do yourself and will write the formula in the comment box. Okay, then I will check how many students are watching this video or not. कमेंट बॉक्स में आपने मुझे इसका फॉर्मूला लिख के बताना है, मैं चेक करूँगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट. So student, aluminium, symbol of aluminium, watch here, aluminium, this one, aluminium, Al3 positive. Okay, and sulfate already we have studied, SO4 2 negative. So let's watch aluminium sulfate. Aluminium is 3 unit positive and sulfate is 2 unit negative. So what will we do? These two will be here and this 3 will be here. So formula is Al2 but SO4 whole लेना है आपने. SO4 whole thrice. Student, if you will write like this, Al2 SO4 thrice, गलत हो जाएगा. ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आपने 43 लिख दिया, या ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आपने ऑक्सीजन का थ्राइस किया ओनली. So this is whole thrice. Okay, so formula is Al2SO4 whole thrice. Next is ammonium carbonate. So first of all, what is the formula of ammonium? In the table I show you NH4 positive ammonium. Okay, first name ammonium is there in my table. Second is carbonate. Carbonate is CO3 2 negative. We used here also. Okay, so how much unit positive charge is there? 1 unit. How much unit negative charge is there? 2 unit. So 2 will be in the base of ammonium. So not NH4 2 but NH4 whole twice. Okay, and carbonate CO3 whole 1. Okay, this charge is coming here na, whole 1 हम लिखते नहीं. So formula will be NH4 whole twice CO3. This is ammonium carbonate. When you will come to the school, then I will show this compound in the laboratory. Okay, very interesting compound, ammonium carbonate. How many students want to see this compound? Write in the comment box. Okay, next is calcium phosphate. So calcium is Ca and how many unit positive charge is there? 2 unit positive. Phosphate PO4 3 negative. So student, 2 will be here and 3 will be here. Answer is Ca3 PO4 whole twice. Student, this is very hard substance, calcium phosphate. Okay, as well as one more calcium phosphide P. If phosphide is there, phosphide होता है P3 negative like nitride. Okay, so Ca2 and it will be Ca3P2 calcium phosphide. बोन्स में होता है ये कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट, किस में होता है? बोन्स में, हड्डियों में. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज this is zinc sulfide. This is ZINC, zinc sulfide. You will correct it, zinc sulfide. So symbol of zinc is, look in the table, Zn2 positive. This is zinc sulfide. Sulfide is this one here, S2 negative. One more time, sulfide is S2 negative. Look here, this one sulfide S2 negative. So zinc 2 positive, sulfide 2 negative, same charge, cancel हो जाएंगे, only ZnS is left. Okay, if charge is same, number is same, then cancel and write only one atom of each, ZnS. Is it clear? Okay, next question. Sodium borate. So sodium borate, first of all check the formula of sodium, then borate. Sodium is Na positive, already we have write it, this one, sorry, sodium, and borate B2O3. Borate, where? This one B2O3 here, B2O3, but charge is 2 negative. So sodium borate, borate is B2O3 2 negative, so 2 will be here and 1 will be here. 1 हम लिखेंगे नहीं, Na2B2O3, Na2B2O3. Is it clear? Okay. Next is sodium borate. After sodium borate, potassium dichromate. So potassium is K positive, but what is dichromate? Check here, dichromate, Gera, this is dichromate. Okay, when I will in the class ask me to show the potassium dichromate, it is orange color compound, very interesting, orange, very attractive compound also, orange color. Okay, potassium dichromate. Okay, so what is potassium? K positive, and dichromate is Cr2O7 2 negative, so 2 will be here और 1 हम लिखेंगे नहीं. So answer is K2 Cr2O7 single रहेगा. So answer is K2 Cr2O7. Okay, this is orange color, potassium dichromate. Okay, it is also used in alkometer. Potassium dichromate. Alkometer mean traffic police occasionally use this to check whether the driver has drunk or not. Okay, so this is alkometer. Next is iron third oxide. So student, what I said, iron third, look here, iron third mean 3 unit positive will be charge on the iron second will be there, then Fe2. Iron third mean 3 unit positive charge will be there, iron third. And oxide is oxygen 2 negative, okay, so go down and write iron third oxide. Iron is Fe, third mean 3 unit, oxide 2 unit, 2 will be here and 3 will be here. Answer is Fe3O2, sorry, Fe2O3, ferric oxide, name is ferric oxide. Okay, reddish color oxide which is present on Mars also. Okay, next is potassium permanganate. So potassium is K positive, but permanganate is MnO4 negative. Okay, so both have same charge, cancel. Answer is KMnO4, purple color compound, purple colored. Okay, and commonly it is known as lal daba. Ask from your parents about it, lal daba. In old time इट इज़ यूज्ड एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक ओके। और जो कुएं होते थे पुराने टाइम में उसमें डाली जाती थी, ये पानी में डाली जाती थी बैक्टीरिया वगैरह को किल करने के लिए ओके। आज फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स दे नो अबाउट इट ओके। नेक्स्ट इज potassium permanganate, then silver nitrate. You will write this name in the comment box. I will check comment box okay. This is your homework. Silver nitrate, check the formula. What is the symbol for silver? And what about nitrate? This one okay. Next is sodium thiosulfate. So sodium is Na positive. Thiosulfate H2O3 2 negative. So -2, that is 2 will be here and 1 will be here. So formula is Na2H2O3. Na2H2O3. This is sodium thiosulfate. Next is ammonium sulfate. Ammonium NH4 positive. Ammonium and sulfate SO4 2 negative. So 2 will be here. So ammonium like this, ammonium 2 and sulfate will be 1 like ammonium carbonate okay. Copper second sulfate. Copper second mean copper will be, this is not second, this is first and this is second okay. Change it. How? This is first, copper first and this is copper second okay. So copper second sulfate, first mean only 1 unit positive charge okay. And sulfate is SO4 2 negative. So 2 will be here, Cu2 SO4 okay, 1 इधर हो जाएगा and Cu plus 2 second mean plus 2 and sulfate also -2 mean equal है number. So answer will be CuSO4 okay. So one more you will write in the comment box. These 3 questions will be for you. Iron third sulfate. Iron third sulfate okay. So this is for your homework assignment okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video, how to write the chemical formula okay student. Again I am saying to learn this table, otherwise you cannot do any question and definitely you will get one question from this table okay. So next topic we will discuss tomorrow. Take care, goodbye.